Outstanding design defines the 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, a tachometer, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.